Hey guys, Alex from the Gaming Channels here, and today we're making a brand new video, and today is a fidget spinner video of all the fidget spinners I have. So yeah, we've got some new ones as well, but first, this is not a fidget spinner, it's a fidget cube. So this is what you do. So you can press this down, and then like remote control, like an Xbox, a light switch, key locks with a ball rolling, some buttons, and a soft bit. So that's the fidget cube. It's a 360. And here's a gold-plated fidget spinner. Spins nice. Right there. So if you can see. There's a little bit of scratches, but yeah. And I have another one, but these ones are different. Well, this one's scratched more, but this one is just like that, but this one goes in. So yeah. And I got this one. It's like third ever spinner. Actually, I'm going to do them in order, how I got them. This was my first ever spinner as well. It's this green one. Second ever spinner was this Batman one. I like it. It's a yellow one. Nice bearings. Third was the army one that I showed you. There you go. The bearings are not too great, but still is a good spinner. I think my next one was this one. My gold spinner. Right here. And then it was this one. I won in like an arcade for like just 200 tickets. And I like the pattern, how it goes. And then I got this one because that one broke. Well, got scratched a lot. And I got this one. Very smooth spinner. It doesn't make too much sound. And then, like, my friend gave me these two. These ones are pro spinners. The bearings are pro. Right there. Doesn't spin too great, but that's the rainbow. It's not too rainbow, it's like pattern. Here's a galaxy. Yep. And then I got this one. And then this one from Waitrose. It's a pro as well. And this one. And this one's cool because it has a light up switch. It's not really a switch, you have to like press it in like that. And when you spin it, it says like that. It says words and just cool patterns by just like that. Yep. And then, yeah, those are the ones. And then I got some new ones. We got a Bluetooth one. We'll some Bluetooth, show you how that works in the end of the video. I got this one, so it never light up. A rainbow metal one. A dice one. And an American scent one. Comes in a nice case. This has a lot of detail. So it's like the face on the coin. Don't know who that is. And then you got like the American shield. And yeah, so let's spin it like that. And there we go. So that's that one. It's a nice one. got my metal rainbow one. And these ones come in nice cases. So there we go. And I like this bit here. It's like a gold plated one. And then like all rainbow. Then the last one, oh no, there's another one. But here's this one. It's a dice one. I like it because it has like dice with the numbers stuff. And there you go. These ones are actually like small ones. They're like midget spinners. And last but not least, well, we have a Bluetooth one. Is this one there. And this one I like because you don't like do that. There's actually a switch here. Then when you turn it, it does that. Oh, that's bright. But it changes the pattern. When you spin it, it changes all the patterns like that. And now we're going to show you the Bluetooth spinner. So here it is. You can still spin it so you can listen to music. Hope I don't do any copyrighted, but so you turn this switch. Bluetooth mode. So yeah. I'm not gonna do music because yeah, I'm just gonna like do some sound like this. Okay. Let's go on YouTube. Sorry guys, it's taking a long time. But I like how it lights. Just getting ready. Okay. We're on YouTube. And let's just do sounds. Okay. Okay, funny sounds. Sorry guys. At the end of the video we're going to spin all of them at once.
Nobody sits there to watch.
Okay, this doesn't work. I think we have to buy it. But now, for the last bit, I'm going to put all my spinners down and we're going to have a test. Spin all of them at once. And the last one. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. That didn't go right. Okay. Just really quick. Okay. So, see you guys in the next video and spin away.